Hey friends, it is Jenny here at Creekside Nursery. Hope you're having a great week. Everything is coming up roses here at the nursery. Yes, so we got a fantastic delivery of plants today from Johnson's Nursery, which is down eastern North Carolina. They do a lot of great proven winners, shrubs, annuals, all sorts of good things, including this oh so easy peasy landscape rose. She is absolutely stunning. Proven Winners has the oh so easy whole line of roses. They are all bred and are made to be continuous bloomers in your garden from basically spring until fall. This is the easy peasy, and you can tell that she has these absolutely gorgeous hot pink blooms, I guess is the best way to describe it. They will get, this particular one gets to be about 2.5 feet tall, 2.5 to 3.5 feet tall and wide. You can tell it is absolutely covered in buds. So this is a gorgeous one that she's going to bring lots and lots of color to your garden this season and beyond. We also have one, the oh so easy lemon zest, which is a beautiful, just classic yellow bloom on it too. You can tell it's a little, not quite as vigorous of a grower. So if you're looking for yellow roses, I know we had a customer last weekend that was looking for yellow roses. So if you're that customer, I have them. We got some, oh, look at these abelias. I'm going to show you these. If you're looking for a great evergreen landscape plant that is going to give you color year-round, it is not deciduous, but it is low maintenance, abelias are a great option for you. Sunshine Daydream, I want to say is, yes, see, I got it right. Excellent. It's been a long day. And by the way, this is Jenny in all her garden glory. I've been outside all day, so please excuse the dirt and the unloaded a tractor trailer, as Jerry said. Jerry and the crew were at a landscape job today, and so Jenny and my crew, aka our 3 kids, unloaded a tractor trailer. So it's been a full day. It's been a full day, and it's not over yet, but I digress. Sunshine Daydream is a really, really pretty, this is new for us, but we love abelias. Just a great variegated color on it, creamy, yellow, got some oranges in there with the new foliage, green. It's gonna make a great big pop in your yard. I'm trying to find where all my new shrubs are. You want to talk about something that's going to be fantastic, come follow me, because dear heavens, as I was taking it off the truck, I was thinking, where in the world can I put this in my yard? Another one from Proven Winners. Now, Proven Winners, of course, these are gorgeous. This is the white chiffon. These are Roses of Sharon. So the white chiffon has been around for a while. Then we have blue chiffon, which is a really, really gorgeous, beautiful plant. I love it. So the Rose of Sharon, these bloom at the very end of summer. So when things are starting to look sad and pitiful in your yard, these Rose of Sharon really shine. Now, they can get big, so you need to give them somewhere that they can fill in all their glory. Like I'm talking really like feet tall. So yeah, 8 to 12 feet tall. They make a gorgeous hedge, so they're going to be taller than they are wide. So 8 to 12 feet tall by only 4 to 6 feet wide. Our sweet Christine gave me the white one last year, and so she has a very special place that she's going. But that's not what I was so excited about. I mean, I was excited about it, but that's not what I'm excited about right now. Let me show you. This is brand new this year. I'm trying to find one to show you. Oh, so pretty. You ready? Here is magenta chiffon. Look at that color. If you were looking for some hot color in your garden at the end of the season, then you have got to get this magenta chiffon. It's the same size as the other ones, 8 to 12 feet tall, 4 to 6 feet wide. You want to space them 6 to 7 feet apart. So it's not going to take very many to make a big impact. And of course you can plant just one as a specimen. Of course they do like the hot sun, and they are in zones 5 to 9. With us being a zone 7, It's perfect. I love that. So we're zone 7. It can go cold to zone 5, and it can go hot to zone 9. That is perfect for us. You know, we are just right there in the middle, and it's fantastic. Now, I'm trying to see where all the fellers, oh, look at these sunshine ligustrums. Southern Living, you know that we love these plants. They are hardy, they're gorgeous, they keep their color year round, easy, beautiful foundational plantings. Imagine sunshine ligustrums right next to the Sprinter boxwoods from Proven Winners. Again, this was on the truck today. Sprinter boxwoods are wonderful from Proven Winners. They just have this gorgeous, lush green foliage. We have big plans for these at our new patio that we're going to build this summer. Of course, we got more. Hydrangeas came in. I mean, there was so much. Gosh, Jerry, what am I missing? I think that might be it for right now. We got more Let's Dance Blue Jangles. It's the, watch out for the shrub. It is the hydrangea from Proven Winners. It's a great mop head that will be pH dependent. Oh, look at this. I do want to show you this. So I planted my water trough last weekend, and this is kind of, if you're familiar with Creekside, the water trough appeared last summer, and I filled it with coleus, and it was exquisite. So this year I have been planting this since the fall, and I am so excited. So we have the Wicked Witch coleus, the Diamond Snow Euphorbia, and then the Supertunia Sharon. Look at that. Can you see that bloom? It is a double petunia, so pretty. This has only been planted for 1 week, and it's already starting to fill in and get nice and happy. I did pop in some dark sweet potato vines to give us some nice dark contrast and some foliage, but those Sharons are taking off. Everything's taken off, so they're very happy. So it has still got plenty of time to get all this stuff planted. We're going to do a video on that later. I'm going to let it fill in some, and then I'm going to show you. But speaking of videos, last week we did the video on how to use hanging baskets. Look at this bank full of the bubble gums. So those were all hanging baskets that I took out of the containers, planted them in directly into the landscape. Made sure to put lots of slow release fertilizer in that hole because the bubble gums do love to be fed. And I have not watered that one time. It did rain, the ground was wet, but I have not watered it. So that's why if you're a smart gardener, you don't have to kill yourself out here, because there's no way that I can maintain water and all this stuff. Knowing when to plant, how to plant it, looking at the weather, it's great. And I honestly, unless it suddenly gets crazy hot, I may never have to water that whole bed. And that's the truth. You know I'm gonna tell you the truth, but that is the gosh darndest truth right there. Fantastic. These smart people work smarter, not harder, right? It's what we say. All right, so we still have tons of hanging baskets. I just did a post on Facebook about the dianthus. Here it is. Paint the Town dianthus. It's in the magenta and the fuchsia. The ones on that social media post were about 2 years old. I planted them just like this, and you can tell from that picture that they're gorgeous, loving life. It's fantastic. So come on out here. We've got all sorts of great things going on out here. I do want to show you though, these are new this year, and I am kicking myself about right now because we don't have more of these. This is the mini indigo Supertunia from Proven Winners. Look at this. Look at the color. Is it not positively amazing? So your new blooms are that really dark, deep color, and then your lighter blooms are the older blooms. So you have new blooms, old blooms with a little bit of difference in color. These will do great in the landscape, containers, you name it. These Supertunias can do it. But these indigos are stunning. I just keep imagining them at the base of Proven Winners Suncredible Sunflower because it's that bright yellow with that purple blue underneath. So pretty. Cannot wait. Coming on down here, we've got more. Lemon coral was on that truck. So we've got lemon coral. So if you were looking for that lemon coral sedum, we've got it. We're slowly putting up some of our new signage. Megan from Proven Winners came to visit us, gosh, back in January, February. She flew down from Maine, came to help create all these great ideas for custom signage with Proven Winners and Creekside together. So that's happening. We hung these up real quick. I need to cut the zip ties, ignore that. So stay tuned for that. That's gonna be a lot of fun. We're getting there. Let's see, we'll come on out here. The herbs are still here. We've got plenty of those. Our tomato plants and our vegetable plants, I saw them today and they are absolutely taken off. I mean, like in a week, they have just shot up. I do want to show you this right quick. Look at this fun pairing. So this was a recipe from Proven Winners that I had hanging up. So it has the blue suede shoes, Rockin' Salvia in there, which is a great pollinator attractor. I have 2 of those in here. Then the brand new Supertunia Vista Snowdrift, which is, again, this is the brand new one this year. It's the pure white. And then the Dichondra Silver Falls, which is just a fun accent. And then I felt like it still needed a little bit something extra. So then I put in our beloved Blew My Mind Avobulus. So it has been taken off. This wheelbarrow is a great way to recycle something that would have ended up in the trash. And now it's a beautiful planter. All right, I have a couple more things that I'm super excited to show you. And then we're gonna wrap it up as I trip over a stump. All right, lavender. So let me grab these and show you some of these gorgeous beauts because the sun is not working for us right there. This is Proven Winners Let's Dance, not dance. Oh, hello, y'all. It's been a long day. Sweet Romance Lavender. And I'm telling you what, it smells amazing. So lavender for us, of course, is a perennial. It loves hot, dry spaces. If you have sandy soil, which for us in North Carolina can be challenging sometimes with our red clay, but pick a dry spot. It likes it dry. If it's wet, it will not do real well. Sweet Romance is not going to be a really big lavender. It's only going to be about 12 to 18 inches tall. Needs the full sun, and it will bloom from spring until fall. And it, y'all, you just barely touch this, and it just smells amazing. Beautiful blooms on it, those classic lavender blooms. You can cut them, you can dry them, you can use them in little mini flower arrangements, all sorts of things. But if you're looking to add some nice color and texture to your garden, then this lavender is a great, great option for you. Let's see, Jerry. I think that's about it. This is going to be short and sweet today. A couple of things, of course, we are open Thursdays and Fridays, 9 to 5, Saturday, 9 to 3:30. Y'all, it has been crazy around here. The past couple of weekends, we have been blessed by just tons of customers that we are so appreciative that you can come see us. Of course, we sit on 8.5 acres, so we have tons of room for everybody to spread out, safely shop. We can keep our 6 feet of social distancing. But when you come, I just want you to be patient, especially if we have large crowds. If there's anything that we can help you with, we are more than happy to help you. We are here to serve you, but sometimes things are just a little bit busy, so we need you to have some patience, a little grace, and a little understanding, and we would be much appreciative over that because we want you here and we want you to have a really good experience here at Creekside. But you have to communicate with us. If there's something that we can do to help you, please let us know. But it's going to be a great weekend again. I think some rain's going to come in, which is the perfect time to plant after. After the rain comes in, your ground's nice and moist. You're not going to have to water a ton. So go ahead and start making some plans of some things that you want to, areas that you want to improve, plants that you want to put in there, and then come see us. And however we can help you, we will be happy to help you. Hope y'all have a great day. Hope you have a great rest of the week, and we will see you soon. Thanks, guys. Bye.